Tributes pour in for the late Senator Dianne Feinstein. Washington. Tributes poured in quickly on Friday from both Democrats and Republicans after news broke that Senator Dianne Feinstein, D-Calif, has died at the age of 90. Many lawmakers described her as a trailblazer for women in politics and said they were honored to work with her in Congress, where she served more than 30 years. Heartbroken by the passing of Senator Feinstein, she leaves behind an incredible legacy, breaking barriers for women and taking real action against gun violence. May her memory be a blessing, Senator Mark Warner, DVA, posted on X, formerly Twitter. Sen. Marco Rubio, R-Fla, tweeted that Feinstein was a political pioneer with a historic career of public service. Intelligent, hard-working, and always treated everyone with courtesy and respect. May God grant her eternal rest. Devastated to hear of the passing of my longtime friend, Senator Dianne Feinstein, tweeted Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, D-N.Y. Through her tenure in Congress, she was a leader for women's rights and a trailblazer for women elected officials. My heart is with her entire family. Dianne will be terribly missed. Sen. Ron Wyden, D.O.R., tweeted that he was heartbroken. Dianne Feinstein was a treasured friend to the Wyden family. She was an extraordinary advocate for San Francisco, for California, and for the West. She was a very gracious person, tweeted Senator Ron Johnson, R-Wis, who offered his condolences. Sen. Rick Scott, R-Fla, tweeted, Ann and I are heartbroken by the loss of Senator Dianne Feinstein. Dianne's more than 30 years in the Senate reflect a life of service to her state of California and our nation. We are praying for her family, staff, and all who knew and loved her. In a tweet, Senator Josh Hawley, R-Mo, said of Feinstein, no one was more welcoming when I came to the Senate than she, and no one was a better example. She was tough, incredibly smart, and effective, always willing to work across the aisle to get things done. She was a person of unquestioned integrity. I admired her and will miss her in the Senate. Feinstein, the oldest member of the Senate, the longest-serving female senator and the longest-serving senator from California, announced in February that she planned to retire at the end of her term. She had faced calls for her resignation over concerns about her health. In March, Feinstein was hospitalized in San Francisco after a diagnosis of shingles. Before her election to the Senate in 1992, Feinstein served as the first female mayor of San Francisco and, prior to that, was a member and president of the city's Board of Supervisors. She became mayor after the assassinations of Mayor George Moscone and City Supervisor Harvey Milk, the first gay elected official in California.